Okay, so here's the Lid-Lok product for keeping kids out of the toilet. And it's a pretty simple product. Comes with a couple of pieces, a little extra of these and a couple of those. And basically what these ones are for is for adding here. You just snap them on. I'll show you that. See right there, you snap them in there. And they extend this portion of it. And then this part is for the lip. It goes underneath there, so it kind of holds on to that little lip. Now, these give you a long one and a short one, so you can pick which one is best for your toilet. I picked the small one. And basically, you just push it all on up. It kind of comes down, and you just stick it in this little section. I apologize, I'm doing this one-handed. And then snap it up. Okay, so basically once you get the right width on it, you just put it on there and then close your toilet seat and close that. In order to release it, you lift these two sides up, one over here and one over here, and it comes down. The only problem I have with it is that it does still allow them to get in, at least for my toilet. And little hands can surely do a lot of trouble in just that little space. So I'm not sure I love the product, but it is easy to install and seems like easy to use. Let's just hope it keeps the kids' hands out of the toilet, which is of course the entire point. So there you go, Lid-Lok.